What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite moisturizing shampoos. So we already talked about clarifying shampoos. Now we're going to talk about moisturizing shampoos. These are shampoos that you can use weekly. They're a little bit more gentle on the hair and the scalp. They also are shampoos that you can use after a clarifying shampoo. So if you want to clarify your hair first for the first wash and then you want to go in with a second wash, you can follow it up with a moisturizing shampoo. So with that being said, some of my favorite moisturizing shampoos are the Camille Rose Guava Slip Detangling Shampoo, which looks like this. So this is one that I really like. It is a detangling shampoo. It has a lot of slip to it. It has a lot of lather to it. So if you are one who likes to detangle with your shampoos, this may be one that you want to try. But I would only use it to finger detangle. That's just me. I don't normally use a tool when I'm detangling with a shampoo, but hey, you do you. But this is one that's really good. I enjoy it. And yeah, Camille Rose just makes some good products in general, okay? Another one of my favorite moisturizing shampoos is the Avocado Infusion Shampoo by Kinky Tresses. This is a shampoo that you don't see me talk about a lot on my channel, but this one is really good as well. The reason you don't see me talk about it is because I have been savoring it. Kinky Tresses is a Black-owned brand. They are a little bit more on the expensive side, and because I don't go through her products that fast, I've been holding on to the shampoo, okay? She does have a butter that's really good, but her products are really thick, so I usually only use those in the winter time, and I still use them sparingly just because they're so thick, but they're definitely moisturizing. So if you're someone who likes really thick products, who likes a lot of moisture, who needs it, then I would say check out Kinky Tresses. Her products are really good. She also has an oil, and she has a leave-in as well. So yeah, I like the products. I just don't use them as often as I use some of the other ones. Some of the other products I can use year round and not feel like they're too heavy for my hair. So yeah, this is a good one. Sorry guys, someone just delivered something. But anyway, so this is a really good one too if you are someone who needs a whole lot of moisture. This is going to be one that you can use on your hair. Again, it's not going to strip your hair. It's very moisturizing. So yeah, Kinky Tresses, that's a good one. So another moisturizing shampoo that I love is also from Camille Rose. It's the Coconut Water Cleansing Curl Cleanse Sulfate Free Shampoo. This one's really good too. This one came out before the Guava Slip and also before the Curl Love shampoo, which I like as well. That's an honorable mention. So if you need another one, the Curl Love shampoo is really good too. But this one is always going to be on my arsenal as well. I just feel like this one is one of those ones that when you just want to refresh, you want a gentle cleanse in midweek, this would be one that's really good for that, in my opinion. At least I think so. All of her shampoos are 12 ounces, which is a pretty good amount for the price that you pay for them. This one is one I believe you can find on the ground too. So yeah guys, if y'all haven't tried Camille Rose, I would say give Camille Rose a try when it comes to moisturizing shampoos. She has some really good ones. Very first shampoo that I tried was the Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse or something like that. I have not used that for a while, but I remember even when I used that one, I felt like it was a tad bit stripping to my hair, but that could have been because that was toward my early natural days. I probably need to revisit that shampoo, but since then I feel like her shampoos have gotten a lot more moisturizing. That's just my take. You guys let me know in the comment section what you think. Do you think that these, if you try them, are more moisturizing than the Ginger Cleansing Rinse? Let me know. But I will say that most of her shampoos that I've tried are really good, and I haven't had any problem with stripping. So This is another one. I know I'm getting off on a tangent because I'm starting to think of all these other shampoos of hers that I tried that are really good as well. So, but recently I was using this one. When I ran out of this one, I was using the Curl Love and the Guava Slip, and I've run out of the Curl Love. Now I got to figure out, okay, which one of these am I going to open? And I'm probably going to go ahead and start using this up because it's colder. So I'm going to start getting into this one probably, just to get it out of the way and to use the other Kinky Tresses stuff that I have. Okay guys, so another moisturizing shampoo or nourishing shampoo that I really like is also from Nature's Little Secret. It is the Cucumber Nourishing Shampoo. This is really good too. To me, this one is, I get a little bit more of a cleansing feel from this one than I do the other ones, but it still doesn't strip. I also feel like I get more nourishment from this one, where the other ones I feel like I get a little bit more moisture. So my hair feels good and nourished and moisturized, but it also feels really hydrated with this one as well. So this one is really good. This one was on the top of my list for a long time, and now it's still at the top of my list, but I think that some of the Camille Rose ones I enjoy better, just depending on what I need for my hair, especially in the summertime. Now that it's winter, I might go back to this one because again, I'm going to be packing on a little bit more stuff on my hair. So I'm going to need my hair to be cleansed, feel really clean, but still also nourished and moisturized. So this is a good one as well. Again, Nature's Little Secret. She makes really good products. She makes products with really good ingredients, and she gives you a good amount for her price point. So yeah, if you guys are not onto Nature's Little Secret, again, I say go ahead and try to pick her up. I will try to link all these shampoos down below. If I have discount codes, I'll try to link those too. But if I don't, try to look for a sale or something like that. Okay guys, and then another honorable mention is the Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Wash. That shampoo is really good as well. I used to use it all the time. Have not used it for a while because I just haven't picked up any curls products for a while. But that one is really good. That's another one that I think is slept on. People don't talk about a lot. And that one is really moisturizing as well. So if you can find it on the ground, I would say try to pick it up if you can get your hands on it, because that's a really good moisturizing shampoo. I didn't want to leave that one out. I don't have it to show, but I definitely didn't want to leave it out. It's a really good moisturizing shampoo as well that I believe is pretty reasonable, especially if you can find it on sale. So yeah guys, these are some of my favorite moisturizing shampoos. I do have other ones that I can mention, but these are the ones that I have been using the most, that have been in my rotation the most. So these are the ones that I am sharing with you for this week of favorites. All right guys, again, as I said before, if you have any moisturizing shampoos that you really love, jot them down in the comment section so others can learn from you. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.